Okay, guys, let's start with this. So this thing over here says we should actually, as I've already mentioned, we should start by skimming and scanning. Now, if you look at this, it is what I can see from this task over here is it looks like it is about revision, right? A very ironical topic. You all should be revising before your test. Okay. Timing is important for revision. Okay. Why is that? Timing is important for revision. Have you noticed that during the school day, you get times when you just don't get any longer? I don't mean the lessons you don't like, but the ones you find usually but the ones you find usually find okay, but on some occasions you just can't be bothered with it. You may have other dash, you may have other dash. Now this is very interesting. The word other always talks about something which is in the plural form, right? Most likely with an S. So let's have a look. What could be the right answer? You may have other dash on your mind, can't be element. You can have things. You may have other things on your mind. You may have other factors on your mind. You may be thinking. You may be tired, restless. I'll go with things. You may have other things on your mind because that makes more sense. You may be tired, restless, or looking forward to what comes next. Whatever the reason, the particular lesson doesn't get 100% effort from you. The same is true of revision. Your mental and physical attitude are dash. So you're talking about two different things. You're talking about two different phenomena here. You're saying that these two things are dash. What can you guess? Try and guess the answer before I click on the answer options. Are, I can't say unnecessary. So because mental and physical attitude is very important. Fatal is deadly. Can't say basic. It doesn't make any sense. So I'll go with important. If you try to revise when you're tired, or totally occupied with something else, your revision will be dash and just about worthless. Now, this is where the difference comes between a good reader and an average reader. If you try to revise when you are tired, totally occupied with something else, or your revision will be dash and just about worthless. If you look at the sense of the sentence, it is all in the negative sense. It is not in the positive sense. So in this case, the correct answer should be something that would be negative. So it can't be worthy, right? Because you're saying it's worthless. Won't be sufficient because sufficient is always considered as positive. Enough is a synonym of sufficient. So I'll go with the word inefficient because it's all in a negative form. If you approach it feeling fresh, alert, and happy, it will also be so much easier and you will learn more faster. However, if you make no plans and just slip in a little bit of revision when you feel like it, you probably won't do much revision. You need a revision timetable so you don't keep putting it off. That is the right collocation here. All right, let's click confirm and check your answers. There you go. So as you can look, most of it is right. So you have to be very careful when you're doing your collocations. Okay, so I hope this explanation helps. Good luck, everyone.